For this project, we will cut the low-hanging branches here, away from the patio. Low-hanging branches, rake, low-hanging branches, and remove. Shape the shrub here, low-hanging branches here, low-hanging branches here on this holly, and we're gonna rake this area and we're gonna refresh with play chips. Right? There's currently bark, but we're gonna use play chips. We're gonna shape that shrub here. We're gonna cut the sides of here and shape this shrub. We're gonna rake, shape this shrub, shape this up to 12 feet, shape this plant right here, and we're gonna rake, and shape this shrub right here, and then we're gonna rake. We're also gonna shape this shrub, shape this shrub, shape this shrub, and shape this shrub, and then we're gonna rake everything. Okay? So mainly shaping and raking. Okay? Shaping and raking, and then refreshing the bark over here with play chips. So for the front yard, we're gonna shape and cut the low hanging branches here, low hanging branches here. We're gonna rake, refresh this garden bed with play chips. We're gonna remove this old shrub here. We're gonna shape this one. We're gonna remove this ivy. We're gonna trim back this plant here. And then we're gonna rake and blow the surfaces here. This plant we're gonna remove, shape, shape this one. We can cut these back as well, and cut these back as well. Prune these back, trim them back here. Cut the branches off the power line here. And we're gonna focus on the smaller branches near the line, not the thicker branches, okay? Just the smaller ones. Same goes for here. We're gonna go with the smaller branches, not the thicker main branch, okay?